Hello, welcome to week 2 of biotechnology. This week we're going to be talking about bacteria and viruses, their anatomy, and their unique biological processes that make them helpful tools for the development of new technologies. We're going to be studying bacteria and viruses mostly through the way that bacterial and viral infections are transmitted. And so we're going to be taking this week from an epidemiological and public health perspective. We have 3 essential questions this week. How do human cells, bacteria cells, and viruses differ in structure and methods of replication? How do antibiotic and antiviral drugs work? And how can we identify the cause of an outbreak, its mode of transmission, and develop resources to contain an outbreak? This week we are going to be watching the movie Contagion, which is part of your course pack. And so this is going to be about approximately a 2-hour movie that you need to watch prior to the live session and prior to your discussion. So this might be something you want to get done early in the week. It's a good movie, so I hope you enjoy watching. Our live session this week is going to be called Recognizing and Stopping an Outbreak. And we're going to be creating a list of questions that you might ask as you are trying to figure out what caused an epidemic to occur, and also how can we stop that epidemic. So you are going to want to watch that movie to see how they did it and to get a little bit of a feel for the process of containing a harmful epidemic. Some other key activities that are going to be part of week 2, you're going to differentiate between the structure and the biological processes of bacteria and viruses by creating an infographic. And that's going to be on Venngage, which is an incredible technology that allows you to make really cool and engaging visual tools. You're going to participate in a discussion about methods to contain an outbreak, and that's going to be it's going to go along with the Contagion video that you're watching early in the week. And you're also going to work collaboratively to determine the cause of a local outbreak. There is a virtual lab as part of that assignment, and you will get all of the documents needed for your collaboration by Wednesday. Just like last week and for every week from now on, and there are some essential resources for your success. The weekly agenda or pacing guide at the bottom of this page is probably your best resource to decide what you have to do by what point in the week. And so you'll see that most of our assignments are due Wednesday and Saturday, and those are listed on our weekly agenda. The last page of every week is our weekly checklist, which I have returned to you for last week already. That weekly checklist includes all the assignments that were due the week prior or up to that week, and it's going to say whether or not you have completed those assignments or whether or not I have received those assignments. So please check that to make sure that I've received them and been able to open them and access them to give you feedback. Finally, feel free to email me at catherine.masick@tiponline.duke.edu and look out for any announcements that I might send the class regarding submissions or general feedback or other problems with course content. Thank you so much for a great first week, and I look forward to our second week together.